a little video here in a VW AMROC. They've got VAG DPF as an app here. $12.99 for the paid version. Again, we're just going to grab that. Hopefully this kicks me through because we've already got something hooked in. Again, up to you if you want to buy it or not. There might be a free version you can get, but if you just need to hook our unit to the internet to download this. Don't know what happened there. Am I going to pay for it twice, or did that just not work? Tap buy. Okay, let me do this. Just know that a lot of VW owners are interested in the DPF information. Let's just come into here now. Again, it costs a bit of money for the app, but hey, $13, the price of a beer these days. So this will download. Now to install. Okay, now what we've done here is I actually have car scanner running at the moment, so you will get issues if you try and come in here and run more than one app at the same time. So you don't want to be running more than one at the same time. You're going to come into settings. You're going to use our OBD2 that's plugged in. Adapter options, Bluetooth select. It's the OBD2 one. Pretty straightforward what it's called there. Back. Oh yeah, cool. Close that. That's just the car scanning one. I had the other one I actually running. You can't run two OBD2 apps at the same time. It's cause you issues. This is it trying to connect, so hopefully it can connect up okay. If it doesn't, what you can actually do is, oh no, it has connected, cool. Just sometimes when you try and swap between apps, it'll cause you issues. But this is quite cool. So it's putting in all your DPF information, quite a bit of stuff coming on here. 82% full, tells you how many kilometers. What else can it do? Distance since last regen gives you the kilometers, time since last regen. Now all this, you'll probably know more about it if you use it. You can Google this sort of app to find out sort of more sort of stuff. It is $12, up to you if you get it or not. I know a lot of VW owners find it handy, VW AMROC owners.